Welcome. In this video I will show you how to customize the lock screen on your iPhone 17e with iOS 26. So first of all, we're gonna have to hold the finger on the screen several times until we are prompted to enter the passcode or until you see the customization menu, which will appear right after you enter the password if you're prompted to. And here we can either edit the existing face or we can add a new one and select one of the featured wallpapers here. We can also search by category. For example, let's use this weather preset. And here we can adjust the clock size, for example, and we can also adjust its style by choosing the different font or color. We can also change the size of the clock and the color of it. We can also adjust some widgets, the calendar, or we can choose a different widget instead of the calendar, and also the shortcuts. To change the shortcuts, you have to remove the existing ones and then add the new ones from the list. And then let's tap Add, then select Set as Wallpaper Pair, and then select this wallpaper to use it on your smartphone. And if you want to switch to the previous one, once again hold your finger on the screen and enter the password on the lock screen, of course, and then return to the previous lock screen. And that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.